Well guys, I'm anxious to unbox this BOYA Magic, and there are a few features here and to the back I want you to present. And here is in the box exactly the pics of these products, 2 pics of the transmitter, 1 charging case and the microphone. They shouldn't mention that it's microphone and charging case, it's 2 in 1. USB-C receiver, which is very good, and lightning receiver for the iPhone. And here it mentions that it's iPhone iPad, made for iPhone iPad. It's made also for Android, it's made also for Windows, so it's a very good product. And come on, let's unbox it. BOYA sent us a desktop stand and we thank them, and this is an optional thing. You can check this out, because this mic you can put it on this stand and you can make a desk mic which you can record. And you have here, you can scan for BOYA Central application there, where is you will set up the noise reduction of this wonderful product. And let's see the product. First of all, we have the warranty application and other stuff. First of all, I can see a nice bag, and it's so good when a product comes with a bag. I have a lot of products, professional products, that didn't come with a bag. BOYA, think about this and put a bag. Let's see what's inside. Well, this is the microphone, and let's leave it. Inside we'll have the wind protector of the mic, of the handheld mic, or the gun mic if you want, for the SLR. It has multiple purpose, this charging case. It's a gun. We'll get to that. Let's see, cables, a lot of cables. USB charging cable, USB to USB-C. We have jack to jack, nice gold plated. Into the other side, pockets, and we have the wind protectors of the Lavalieres, the 2 peaks of Lavalieres, that you can put it to your shirt or to your chest, to your, I don't know, hat. Another thing here, let's see, is the lighting for those of you who have iOS iPhones or iOS devices, iPads. The other receiver is for Android devices or Windows with USB-C. And on the BOYA site, you can choose whatever you need or like for your phones, or what receivers are the right ones for you, because this will reflect into the price. So you can check out and make you a custom buying for your product. Will be cheaper, like with one receiver. For example, if you want only USB-C, will be cheaper without a lighting. And the last thing is this receiver that you will put it on your DSLR, or on, we film with cinematographic cameras, for example, now. And you can install it into this shoe, special shoe, or clip it. You have the port, you can use that jack to jack, and you can transmit also. It has a battery that you can charge it with the USB-C. And here it's the, let's see, power. Yes, press power, hold it. So now it's searching for the microphones. You see those 2 blue LEDs. It searches for the one microphone or the other microphone for you to put it, and it's so small, man. I can't believe how minimalistic BOYA went this time, but you'll have a surprise. Take yourself a big cup of coffee, because we have a lot of things to talk about for these microphones. You will be surprised. So let's put it back into these nice bags. Also, I will use this product for my personal use, or and for a phone, for an you saw this new smartphones are unbelievable how they can film. So this product will be everything you will need in the matter of the sound. If you do interviews, or if you're doing, guys, for those influencers, or let's say at the beginning of your journey, You influencers, you can use this product. Of course, we use the Sennheiser Lavaliers with the MKA40 microphone, which is, I think, are the best on the market, but you will be surprised for the audio quality.